All right, welcome back to Cookbook Roulette. So this week we're making an artichoke spread. I'm not really crazy about artichokes, but we're gonna give it a try and see what happens anyway. So we're using canned artichoke hearts, and that's gonna go in there, and then it says to mash them up with a potato masher or a fork. I'll use the potato masher, and I gotta say this isn't really helping my feelings on artichokes. Yeah. All right, and next we're adding a cup of mayo, and we're adding about 3 ounces of Parm. And that's it. So we're gonna mix that all up and then give it a bake. All right, we got a greased baking sheet, and then we're gonna put this concoction inside there, and it's gonna be ready for the oven. What are we making? Okay, thoughts and prayers, here we go. Uncovered into a 350 oven, 25 minutes. Okay. So color me skeptical that I'm gonna like this, but it smells more cheesy than it smells like artichoke-y. Not my favorite. I can get by it. It tastes a lot like mayo and the Parm more than anything else. It's okay, but it's, you know, it's not my favorite. So, but so far this has been our kind of only one that I'm not crazy about. You might like it. Pass the plate, and we'll see what the roulette pulls up next time.